So today we're checking out the new 2026 Toyota Corolla. It is back again for another year, and this affordable bestseller is up for grabs in both gas and hybrid models. Hot take this year, the new Corolla is better than the Honda Civic. I will die on this hill even with Honda's redesign, and you'll find out exactly why in this video. All right, so let's start with the basics. 2026 Toyota Corolla comes in 6 trims. You're gonna have 3 hybrid and 3 gas to choose from. And the starting MSRP this year is just $22,725, making it an affordable option for everyone. If you want to get the latest news on the Corolla plus inventory updates from our lot, don't forget to hit that button and subscribe. And now follow me because we're going to check out the exterior. So the 2026 Toyota Corolla is definitely sporty. It's definitely compact and it's budget friendly. You are getting the best of both worlds. We love that it has steel and alloy wheels that come in multiple designs and colors. We've got modern LED lighting all over the exterior, plus tons of beautiful grille options. 2026 Corolla comes in 15 different paint colors, 7 of which are two-tone to give you a little extra edge. Other exterior options that we love this year, Corolla offers you sport side rocker panels on some models. You're also gonna have the option of a rear spoiler. It gives your ride like a really bold stance, and you're gonna get a single exhaust with dual chrome tips. All right, let's climb in the interior so I can show you exactly what it feels like to sit behind the wheel of the 2026 Corolla. The first thing you notice when you climb inside the new Corolla is that, yes, it's a compact car, but it is so comfortable and conveniently laid out. You're gonna have room for up to 5 people inside the cabin, and you'll get options like fabric, Softex, leather, and sport seats with sport fabric inserts. So we have automatic climate control, which keeps everyone comfortable no matter where you're sitting. You've also got a digital gauge cluster right here that gives you all of your important information and warning messages. And some models also come with paddle shifters, which lets you shift faster, have more control, makes your drive time that much more exciting. Checking out the back seat, you've got 60-40 rear seats that actually split and fold flat to give you more cargo space if you need it. And we've got 2 USB-C ports back here and 2 in the front so everyone can stay plugged in. All right, back to the cargo space. If you pop open the trunk, you've got 13.1 cubic feet of space back here, so plenty of room even though it's a compact car. So you've seen the exterior, you've definitely checked out the interior. Now I'm gonna get back in the driver's seat so we can take it out for a spin on the open road. Okay, so 2026 Toyota Corolla test drive. This car has been a bestseller in the Toyota lineup for literal decades, and it's really easy to see why when you get behind the wheel. It's so easy to drive. Everything is so smooth. You feel really confident behind the wheel. You get smooth acceleration, and the fuel efficiency is amazing, whether you're driving the gas or the hybrid model. It's affordable, great resale value, great fuel efficiency, and you're gonna have great safety tech on your hands too. So no matter where you're taking your Corolla, you're pretty much solid. All right, let's chat about performance in the 2026 Corolla now. So like we said, you've got gas and hybrid options. The hybrid Corolla has Toyota's reliable hybrid powertrain system under the hood. You're also gonna get up to 50 miles per gallon combined. Now that's almost as much as the new Prius, except you're gonna have a much lower price tag on this ride. The gas Corolla, on the other hand, has a 4-cylinder gas engine under the hood, and you get up to 35 miles per gallon combined. Not quite as much as the hybrid, but still great fuel efficiency. Both models offer optional all-wheel drive for better traction and control on the road. Plus, you get multiple drive modes. You're gonna have normal, eco, sport, and EV to tailor your commute. Let's climb back inside because we're gonna check out tech and safety next. Okay, so the 2026 Corolla is packed with technology, even though it's a compact car. You're gonna have the option of an 8 or 10.5-inch touchscreen audio multimedia system. That means you get wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and the option of Sirius XM satellite radio. There's additionally the option of a 9-speaker premium JBL audio system if you want to amplify your tunes. We also can't forget about Toyota's connected services. I love this suite of features. It's so cool. So you're gonna get Service Connect, which gives you updates on your car's health, lets you know when you need that oil change. You're also gonna have Drive Connect with cloud navigation. You're gonna get Remote Connect, which lets you start, lock, and unlock your car right from your phone or smartwatch. And let's not forget about the Wi-Fi hotspot to keep everyone connected on the go. This year, Corolla has Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 standard. So you're gonna get things like roadside assist, proactive driving assist, and the pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. We also love the blind spot monitor with the rear cross traffic alert. Super helpful, but my favorite feature this year, and pretty much every year, is the integrated backup camera to give you an extra set of eyes behind you. To wrap it all up into one beautiful safe package, you're gonna get 10 airbags throughout the cabin of the Corolla, plus the latch system in the back seat, which makes it so easy to buckle in those car seats and booster seats. Now you know everything there is to know about the 2026 Toyota Corolla, so drop a comment and let us know what you're taking home, gas or hybrid. I'm personally gonna take the hybrid home because I'm all about those fuel savings. If you're ready to schedule your test drive, do it online. And while you're there, check out our custom tools. You can start building your deal, you can value your trade and more, or just stop by Toyota of Clermont. We're open 7 days a week at 16851 State Road 50, just west of the Florida Turnpike.